Magic Morph feature. I haven't tried it much, and that is why I want to try it with you today. I click on Magic Morph. You see the examples, what it does. So this is a beautiful, perfect tutorial. You actually do not even need my tutorial for this, but yeah. Let us try. Add your own style to any element, text, or shape with a simple writing prompt. Magic Morph is a part of Magic Studio included with your Canva for Team plan. Start by typing how you want your text or element to look or watch as the subject changes into style you describe. Try Magic Morph. Here we have it. Mm, let's see what Canva shows us on the screen. I'm excited. Are you? I know you are. Okay, let's continue. Select the white star, write Milky Lime matte balloon in the box on the left toolbar. Click Magic. So let's say we want to change this, morph this star into something. So select the element in your design. I want to morph this or an example element. So golden shiny star blinking all the way in the sky. Let's see what it does. Okay, we'll get certain options like we have always been getting for presentations and all the things that we just did. We'll get 4 options, I believe. Let's wait. Let's wait. Canva is doing its magic. Magic Studio is doing its magic actually. So we have 4 different options over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we like it, we can use it. If not, we can ask for more. Yep, you see them. We can use it. If you didn't like any of these, I can ask to create again. Next, I would want to add some text. Magic Morph. And I would want to, but I don't think I can animate this. I can apply Magic Morph to this. It has to be some element that I can apply morph to. Can I? I do not see the option to apply morph. Select the white star, write the Milky. Where is Magic Morph lost? Okay. Why do I not find it? Let us go back. Go back to Magic Studio. Since I'm also lost, a little lost over here, I come back to Magic Morph. Ribbons. So green balloon, W is the text. It changes into green balloon with some ribbons. Oh, it's some red ribbons. Yep, okay. This was Magic Morph for you. I hope you enjoyed this session. You can always animate it and do different things. For now, this was Magic Morph for you. Let us move on to something else.